Hi there guys, how you doing? Okay, so I just came back from this weekend. I was on a camp, on a men's Christian camp. Awesome camp. Praise Jesus. So I got home this afternoon. Sad news guys, Gunther didn't make it. Because no one was at the house. I don't know what happened, but Gunther didn't make it. So sadly our Gunther friend, he passed away. Sophie's still fine, and the Kerpers and the Tilapia are still fine. Gunther just didn't make it. Yeah, I'm sad to say and sad to inform you guys. I'm on my way back home now. Just quickly went and did a job. But yeah, just letting you guys know, Gunther is gone. Sorry guys, but don't worry. We're gonna keep Gunther's memory alive on this channel. We're gonna get the Gunther Jr. We're gonna get one. But yeah guys, have an awesome day. I hope you had an awesome weekend. Sweet guys. Cheers.